What if everything you thought you knew about the cosmos was only the surface of a deeper mystery? Tonight, we trace the strange phenomena that defy explanation, from faint radio whispers to bursts of impossible light. We will not offer easy answers, only the evidence and the persistent questions that follow every anomaly. Listen for the ghostly echoes in the radio bands, the optical flashes that arrive and vanish without a trace. Across decades, the sky keeps its secrets, but stubborn anomalies force our brightest minds to look again and listen harder. Begin with the signals that arrived like whispers from the dark, from sources that refuse to behave. Fast radio bursts arrive in milliseconds, yet pour out more energy than the sun emits in days. Their origins are disputed: pulsars, magnetars, colliding stars, or something stranger entirely. Some bursts repeat in unpredictable patterns, as if an unseen hand taps the fabric of space. When astronomers point every instrument, they have some bursts still refuse identification. Could these be messages, signatures of exotic physics, or mere noise amplified by our curiosity? We do not yet know, but each new detection tightens the net and narrows the patterns we can study. Then there are the transients, the brief optical flares that appear and vanish without a trace. Some trace back to known explosions, others stubbornly refuse classification and leave only puzzled data. Astronomers call them orphan flashes because their parent objects do not match expected signatures. In other cases, entire regions pulse in coordinated waves, as if the cosmos performs a silent choreography. Are these natural resonances or evidence of processes we cannot yet replicate in laboratories? Whatever the cause, the patterns force us to expand our imagination and our experimental reach. Beyond light, we find moving silhouettes, objects that cast shadows against stars in unexpected ways. Some are natural interlopers, massive fragments flipped from collisions; others behave like engineered artifacts. The most famous cases leave scientists divided between rare natural events and possibilities that challenge assumptions. When motion cannot be reconciled with gravity alone, the mystery deepens and theories multiply. Some observations hint at matter behaving under exotic conditions we barely understand. Each shadow, each irregular arc across the stars, is a clue to a story the universe is still reluctant to tell. Faced with anomalies, we build models, propose mechanisms, and test predictions until only the robust survive. Sometimes answers arrive modest and incremental; other times they demand a paradigm shift. We may be witnessing new physics or phenomena at scales our instruments barely glimpse. Humility is the scientist's companion, every anomaly a reminder that nature remains the final arbiter. So we watch, we listen, and we build better instruments ready for the next whisper or sudden flare. And perhaps the greatest lesson is this: the universe is stranger and more beautiful than our neat explanations allow.